Tips from the Chef on eLearning Chip's YouTube channel.
Hi everybody! In this tutorial, we will add quiz slides to our course player. To start, let us prepare a scene and slides for quiz creation based on the previously duplicated slide. Let's copy the slide created and adjusted in the previous tutorials to the new scene. Click Story View to view the course scenes. Add a new scene by clicking the New Scene button, and name it Assessment. The new scene already has a default slide. Select and delete it by clicking the Delete button. Go to the slide. Prepare the slide, remove animation and all unnecessary elements. Change the slide name to Start Assessment. Add proper transition triggers. Assign the transition to the second slide of the main scene to the back button. Duplicate the slide for further creation of questions, and name the new slides as Question 1 and Question 2. Make the transitions from slide to slide using triggers. Everything is ready to start filling the slides with content. Let's work on the content of the starting slide of the quiz. Add the shape with the text Knowledge Check. Align all the elements. Create the Start Quiz button. Add the trigger of transition to the slide with the first question. The quiz starting slide is ready. Let's proceed with the creation of a slide with a Pick 1 question. First, add the question text. For example, what is the name of our planet? Add also the text of instruction. Choose the right answer and click Submit. At the next stage, add the text boxes for answer options. Mars, Venus, and the Earth. Add a choice button image to each answer option. Let's start programming the question slide. Go to the Insert tab and click Convert to Freeform. Select the Pick 1 question template. In Form View, identify the buttons you want to match the answer options, and select the correct response by marking the radio button in the Correct column. To exit Form View, click Slide View. Now select the choice buttons in turn and add the selected state to them. To do this, go to Edit States and change images to the previously prepared ones. Create the Submit button on the slide. Add the trigger of tracking the question on clicking the Submit button. The question tracking will be done only if one of the answer options is selected. Now let's edit the feedback. Go to the Feedback Master mode. It is similar to Slide Master that we have learned in one of the previous tutorials, but it is used to create a feedback template. Click Feedback Master in the View tab and delete all elements. To save settings and exit the editing mode, click Close Master View. A question slide has two feedback layers by default, correct and incorrect. Go to the correct layer and delete all default elements. In addition, open the slide properties and edit the default settings of the feedback layer. Add our unique feedback to the slide. Do the similar actions on the incorrect layer. Preview the slide. Try answering the question by intentionally selecting an incorrect answer option. Preview the slide again and select the correct answer. As you can see, the question slide is working correctly. Let's create a Pick Many question slide. Copy the question text box, instruction, answer options, and the Submit button from the first question. Edit the question and instruction text to imply multiple answer choice. For example, which planets are uninhabited? Instruction, choose all correct answers and click Submit. The process of creating a Pick Many question is similar to that of a Pick One question, so we will focus on the differences. Click Convert to Freeform, then click Pick Many. The question settings are similar to those of the previous question. The difference is that we can identify more than one correct answer. Change the normal and selected states of the buttons so that they differ from those used on the Pick One question slide. Adjust the feedback layers as we did on the previous slide. Preview the slide and intentionally select an incorrect answer. Preview the slide again and submit the right answer. As you can see, we receive proper feedback messages. In conclusion, let's create the results slide of the quiz. Click New Slide, select the Quizzing tab, and go to Results Slides. Then select Graded Results Slide. Click the Insert button. When the Results Slide Properties window appears, make sure that all questions you want to track are identified. Go to the Options tab and adjust the necessary settings. To confirm and save our actions, click OK. Having edited the settings, we still have a placeholder, which displays the quiz result. The result is always displayed as percentage and the number of points. Let's edit the placeholder. Return to the second question slide and assign the trigger of transition to the result slide on clicking the Next button. Go to the Results slide and proceed with adjusting it. Open the slide properties and remove unnecessary default settings. In addition, delete the elements, which have appeared in the process of slide creation. The result slides contain the layers for successful and unsuccessful passing of the quiz. Move the result placeholder from the main scene to the layer of successful quiz passing. Delete the elements because we are going to apply the unique design to the layers. Edit the success layer. Add the background and the text. Add the Exit Course button. Please note that the button works only if the course is uploaded to a learning management system. Edit the failure layer in a similar manner. It is convenient to duplicate all elements from the success layer and correct them. Add the Retry Quiz button, which gives learners an attempt to retake the quiz. We will assign 2 triggers to this button because we should reset the first attempt results and go to the quiz starting slide. So assign the reset trigger. Pay attention that without this trigger, it will be impossible to retake the quiz. The second trigger will be that of returning to the first slide of the quiz. Let's have a look at how the quiz is working. Preview the scene. That's it! We have created the quiz containing the starting slide, the pick one and pick many questions, and the results slide.
E-learning chips. Online stock for designers and course developers.